Yo, what is good? It's your boy Driving Addict, back at it with another day in the life of a Uber driver video. Or today's gonna be just a simple Uber driver tips and tricks, you know, just a tiny bit, not too many tips today. First thing first, always leave some cash around in the car, you know. Like you can buy a tip jar online, like the one that plugs into the cigarette outlet, or I used to have one of those, but me, I just put some cash right here into this compartment, you know, just to remind riders to tip you. Or you can buy like a headrest cover and say tips are greatly appreciated, put it on here. I used to have those too, but I took it out. Yeah, just put something that remind riders to tip you, you know. I think that helps a lot. And second thing, let me walk around. I just got this from Amazon today, so I plugged it in. So if you have a lot of rides, Uber's gonna give you that what do you call that thing? I don't know. It's like it lights up at night. But if you're a brand new driver, you can buy it on Amazon for only like $7 or $8. So I bought this thing on Amazon. It says app ride, so you know it could be Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Grubhub, whatever, you know. So if you drive around at night with this thing on, the cops won't, you know, give you a hard time if you speed a little bit. So that's the second thing. So I'm gonna put the link in the description on where to buy that thing on Amazon, that app ride light up sign. And third thing is not really necessary, but a speed a radar detector. Mine is Passport 9500. I bought this thing a long time ago. It's a Passport Escort or something. I think I paid like $500 for it, like about way back in I don't know, 08 or something, way back in the day. So you know, time is money when you're driving, you know. So I mean, when the customer's in the car, you don't want to drive fast, but you know, on your way to pick up customer, you want to drive a little bit faster, you know. I don't condone speeding, but you know, if you're doing like 10 over the limit, then to me it's okay, you know. And what's that, fourth thing is don't pick up anything longer than 15 minutes away with UberX, you know. Because with Uber, you don't know where the customer goes until you pick them up, you know. So try not to pick up a ride that's 15 minutes longer away. And let's go over a recap of my current week, you know. So like I said again, I had some errands I had to help my wife with some errands this week, so I didn't drive that much. So today is Wednesday at 7:42 p.m. and I only drove, this whole week I only drove 8 hours with 20 trips, you know. Monday I made 71. Tuesday I made 74. Today I only got one ride in so far for $4.71. And I'm gonna try to drive till like 12 a.m. tonight, so like another 4 hours. Tomorrow I have to take my wife to get her driver license test. Hopefully she passes. So those are just some quick tips for you guys, you know. Hopefully that helps. Like I said again, Uber is different in every city, you know. So every city there's a different strategy, but just in general, yeah, always leave some cash around, so you know, to remind riders to tip you. Buy that thing that plugs in, you know, when you're driving at night, because you have to do like a lot of rides for Uber to give you that I don't know what they call it, you know, the emblem or something that lights up at night. Okay, I remember now. They call it a beacon. Yeah, the Uber beacon. Or with Lyft, they probably call it the same thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get something, some coffee, and I try to get a few rides in. I'm in Germantown, Ohio. It's like a small country town in west of Dayton, Ohio. See you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, earlier I forgot to mention, get yourself a dual lens dash cam. Get yourself a dual lens dash cam. I think Nexar is also really good. It uploads to the cloud. Mine is I bought mine long time ago. It's a Ventru, but I hear Nexar has the best dual lens dash cam, and it uploads to the clouds. And I just got 2 rides in. The last one was pretty good, and I'll be back in a little bit. I'm at the red light right now. Alright fam, so I'm like a few rides in, and let me finish with the tips and tricks for new Uber drivers out there. So first thing first, put some cash like in that thing, and then get yourself something that lights up, you know. That way the cops don't give you a hard time, or don't try to pull you over if they see you keep on driving around. Or use Waze, you know. Waze tells you where the cops are, or you know, if there's potholes and stuff on the road. The app Waze. Radar detector, you know, it's not necessary, but you know, it helps if you like to drive fast. Did I cover everything? Oh, okay. And this might be common sense, but you know, just small talks to the customers. You know, don't discuss politics or religion or something controversial. You know, just small talks. You know, once they step in the car, just like, hi, how you doing? You know, or talk about the weather. Don't talk about controversial topics like politics. And you know, just be respectful. You know, and for me, I always play music, but I just play like pop and stuff. You know, some people like to play jazz. I like pop. You know, don't play anything, you know, that keep you that get you all hyped up like hip hop. You know, I mean, I like hip hop, but don't play anything that, you know, get people all hyped up. Yeah. So that's about it, you know. So I'm just gonna get something to eat and try to put a few more hours in, and you know, go home tonight. I got something to do tomorrow early, so maybe I drive for 1 more hour and then I'll be done for today. So that's all for today's episode of Uber driver tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, fam, and please subscribe. Please smash the like button. If you really like it, please share it. Don't forget to ring the bell, notification bell. Peace, fam. Happy April. Stay safe out there.